This is week 4, and if you've been consistent, something dangerous has happened. Your body is waking up. Week 1 wasn't about exercise. It was about rebellion. 45 minutes of walking didn't burn fat by force. It retrained your metabolism and reminded your body that movement is normal. Week 2 exposed another lie. Hunger wasn't hunger, it was dehydration. A gallon of water restored cellular energy, improved fat transport, and stopped fake cravings from running your life. Week 3 was the caffeine fear myth. Black coffee didn't give you energy, it released it. Epinephrine went up, insulin stayed low. Fat finally got permission to leave storage. Now we're in week 4. And if you followed the plan, you're down 6 pounds or more. Not because you suffered, but because balance was restored. This week, we talk about protein. And the industry doesn't like this part. You've been told more is always better. That's how they keep you eating all day and burning nothing. Here's the truth. Aim for 1 gram per kilogram of body weight or half a gram per pound. Enough to protect muscle. Enough to control hunger. Not so much that insulin stays elevated and fat stays locked. Protein is a tool, not a religion. Your walking, hydration, fasting window, and hormone control are already preserving muscle. Protein simply supports the system. Eat it with intention. Let insulin rise briefly, then fall. That's how fat burning resumes. This isn't dieting. This is metabolic precision. Keep walking, keep insulin low, and let your body do what it was designed to do.